5 sperm killing mistake you are making every day which affects your sperm. That is what I am going to share with you people in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider today to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 5 killing mistakes that you make every day that affects your sperm? Number 1 is exposing yourself to heat. Yes, the more you expose yourself to heat, the more it damages your sperm cell. And once your sperm cell is being affected, it will kill your sperm that is already existing in your body system. So make sure that you avoid exposing yourself to heat. Once you do this, you will have a healthy sperm. Number 2 is taking baths with hot water. Yes, the more you take baths with hot water, the more it goes to all parts of your body system and cause your body to be hot. Yes, once your body is hot, it can also affect your sperm cell or your sperm system. And once your sperm system is affected, it can lead to low sperm count, it can lead to infertility, and it can also affect the quality of your sperm. So taking bath with hot water is not good and is not advisable. I will advise you as a man to always bath or take baths with cold water or warm water. But taking bath with hot water can affect your sperm cell. And this is a very big mistake that most men do. So avoid taking bath with hot water to live a healthy life and to perform well as a man. Number 3 is inhaling chemical. Yes, the more you inhale chemical, the more it disrupts your immune system. And once your immune system is being disorganized by chemical, it will also affect your sperm cell. Do you know that your immune system is what makes you to have a healthy sperm? Your immune system is what makes your body to perform well as a man. So if your immune system is affected by chemical, it will also affect your sperm cell. And once your sperm cell is affected, you will never perform well as a man. So inhaling chemical is another mistake that you as a man make, which you don't know that affects your health and also affects your sperm cell. How do you inhale chemical? You can inhale chemical maybe when you are working in companies or industries. You can also inhale chemicals through exhaust and other toxic fluid which may disrupt your immune system. So avoid being exposed to chemical to live a healthy life. Number 4 is too much stress. Do you know that too much stress can result to low testosterone? Too much stress can lead to fatigue, and with this, it can also affect your immune system. And you know that with a healthy immune system, that is when you have a good sperm coming out from your testicles or coming out from your body system. If you have a healthy body or you have a healthy immune system, that is when your body system will be able to function and give you the exact thing you want. That is when your body system will work perfectly. But if your immune system is not in order, you can never have the benefits or the expectations you expect from your body system. So avoid this to live a healthy life. Number 5, which is the last, is too much intake of alcohol. I've been saying this so many times. Men that indulge in alcohol or men that like to consume alcohol, thinking that consuming alcohol is a good way of life or is healthier, it is very bad. If you are a man, you always like to perform well, you want to be the best man you want to be, avoid intake of alcohol, because alcohol lead to the blockage of your blood vessel. And once there is a blockage in your blood vessels, you can never have a good blood flow and blood circulation. And with this, it can also disrupt your immune system, which is responsible for the formation of sperm. And once this happens, it will affect your sperm cell. So intake of alcohol is another mistake that you as a man is making that affects your sperm cell. There is nothing like taking natural food. Avoid alcohol and avoid anything chemical. Once you do this, you will always perform well as a man. So these are the 5 sperm killing mistakes you are making every day. If you can avoid all this, you will be the best man you want to be. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider today to subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck. Bye.